Ladies and gentlemen, we here at Radial Sons have got a really good one for you today. We've got a really nice Volvo. I like this wheel loader a lot. It's got a JRB quick coupler to it, hydraulics coming to the front. Excuse me. It has great tires on it, Radial tires. Trying to give you a view of the body. Burns clean. It's missing the little cover here for the battery box. We want to show you that. So you'll have to purchase that. That's not going to be a major expense, but like I said, we really like this loader. It's tight. It runs good. It's got a nice cab on it. You will have to purchase a bucket for it. We do not have a bucket for it. This machine has been well maintained. And L60Es, we really like them. We've got customers that have them 25, 30,000 hours, still going. Pre-def, pre-emission. Radial Sons is famous for bringing you good low-hour equipment that's pre-def, pre-emission. You own this machine. You can pretty much work on it. You can get manuals for it. You can go to emanual.com and get your operator's manual, sometimes even a technical manual. Has the backup alarm. Shifts very well. If you're looking for a really nice loader at a fair price, watch it shift. Give us a call here at Radial Sons. I think you'll really like this loader. And as always, we greatly appreciate your business.